Hi, good morning guys. So this morning I will be showing on how to exercise to lose weight, bringing with me with a baby challenge. So please watch this one. Okay, so here we go guys. So I have here, okay, here we go guys. So I have here a baby with me. So I'm bringing this baby, and to check before we have to start our exercise, we need to check first how much is the weight of your baby. So she is around 8.5 kilograms. Okay, so are we going to start now? Okay, so before we start, make it sure that the baby should not be shocked and she should not be crying. That's very important tips before going to start an exercise. Okay, so I will be teaching you on how to, just a simple step, on how to stretch first, warming up before we will start the exercise. First, of course, you need to hold the baby and make it sure that the baby should be safe. Okay, so are we now ready? Now let me check. Because I'm gaining weight, so I need to do this because all mothers out there after giving birth, they're really gain weight. So this exercise, you can do this one at home, or after giving birth you can bring your baby with you and do some tips or do some exercise that are really comfortable if you can do that one at home. Okay, so first we need to have warm up. Okay, so hold the baby. Okay, this one. Just the simple one. Hold the baby in front, and then just like this one, you can do the knees bend. 3, 4, 5, but slowly because you need not to shock the baby. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can do this one within 3 to 5 minutes. Okay. 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If your baby will keep on moving, so you need to position her this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, make it sure that the baby should be safe. Okay, make sure that you are standing also properly so that you have the balance. Okay, that's it. You can do the the knees bend 3 to 5 minutes. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, next. This is one of my favorite exercise. I'm going to stand using one foot, and my other foot will be stretched at the back, but the baby's position should be like this. Okay, so we can also do this 3 to 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, the other foot, so reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Make it sure that the baby's you're holding the baby, and there is a weight, so you have the balance using your hands and your feet. Make it sure that the baby will not fall down on the floor, or else she will cry. Okay, so you can do this one. Another position is when, okay, you have like this one, just lifting your one arm in the other leg together. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And if you can do the other way around. Okay, let's check. Okay, I can do the other one. My other arm is a little bit. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6. Wait, sorry. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Make it sure that you have to hold the baby because the baby should have to be in a safe place. Okay, so the weight of the baby, remember, it will really add you to perspire or sweat out. You can, instead of bringing something that is hard, and of course, the mommies out there who are really have the goals to lose weight, then you can do this one, bringing with you with a baby. I usually do this one every day, especially if she will cry. So I always do the stretching and here the push up and like arms. You need to stretch out your arms and you do the kicking. Okay, another one is you need to have the kick. 1, 2. This is my favorite. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kick. 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 Okay, so you can do that one with your at your own convenience. So make sure that if you don't have babies or if you have little brother or sister, you can bring it with you and make it sure that you can carry the baby. Okay, so if you like this video, thank you so much. And if you like this video, please click the button subscribe and share this video. Thank you very much for watching. See you on my next episode.